Hello all, you know that you have to prepare a hard in order to get the best in the world. On the same lines, if you want to shine like the sun, you have to burn like the sun. So in order to clear your 2027 attempt, I am coming up with a very practical strategy, which is one strategy, one schedule, one attempt 2027. One strategy, one schedule, one attempt. Give only one attempt and it should be the strong attempt. People should be shocked by seeing your result of 2027. For that result of 2027 attempt, I am coming up with a very practical strategy. I am telling you, if you follow this strategy, if you be very serious with respect to this schedule, and if you are very, very serious with this attempt of 2027, you will get the rank. And I am coming up with monthly strategy. Before that, what are all the attitudes you need to have in order to crack this examination in 2027? So my dear students, you have to plan 12 hours of hard work, in which it can be the classes plus self-study also equally important. I am telling you, it is not only the coaching, it is not only the classes, it is also the self-study. Both will work hand in hand. Both should work hand in hand. So focus on classes, focus on self-study, both should go hand in hand. That is daily 12 hours. Then the preparation should be consistent. Most of the students will be, they will study for one day and they will sleep for 4 days. No. It should be a consistent preparation on daily basis, 12 hours, consistent. If you prepare for another 2 years, if you consistently prepare for another 24 months, I am telling you, my dear students, you will become the best officer, the IAS officer in the country. I am telling you, huge powers will have IAS officer. Yesterday I met one of the district collector, Harichandana Dasari, IAS officer of Hyderabad district. So much powers they will be having, so much powers. They will be having revenue power, they will be having police power, they will be having magisterial power, they will be having the power to give promotions, they will be having the power to remove also. These many powers an IAS officer will be there. So if you want to become that much big officer, then how much hard you have to work for another 2 years, you have to remember. And your preparation should be consistent and you have to prepare passionately, very passionate preparation, like crazy preparation you need to have. Your brain should be obsessed with the civil services preparation. Your brain should be completely of obsession. I want to get IAS rank, I want to become the IAS rank. Passionate preparation should be there. And my dear students, practice tests, daily tests, weekly tests are most important. And the most important is introspection. Students will not introspect themselves, they will not do self-analysis. You have to do self-analysis. How I am improving on daily basis, how I am improving on weekly basis, how I am improving on monthly basis. When you have this particular introspection, when you have this self-analysis, obviously you will get a very good result. So introspection also you should have, you need to maintain one diary, and with the diary you have to have a plan. Whether I am in a proper route or not, whether I am in a proper plan or not, there is a need for proper introspection, my dear. And choose one mentor and follow the mentor blindly. I am telling you, you no need to be in connection with mentor morning to evening, just 2 minutes. Sir, I studied this, I want to study this, that's, or weekly ones. So this is my strategy, whether I am going good, yes, you are going good, go on. You no need to be from morning to evening, you no need to sit with your mentor. Just 2 minutes weekly, just 3 minutes weekly is sufficient. That type of quality, intelligent mentor you have to keep and follow that mentor blindly, you will get the result. And the last is one schedule. आपको एक schedule पकड़ो, वो schedule को follow करो. एक schedule, you choose it and follow that schedule blindly. Compulsory, you will get a very good result. You should not, people will change schedule. This week they will plan. Then another week they will change another. This 1 month I will prepare like this. Next they will not implement only. You follow one schedule and implement that schedule. आपको एक शेड्यूल चूज करना पड़ेगा और वो वाला शेड्यूल को आपको इम्प्लीमेंट करना पड़ेगा. So in that way you need to plan your preparation, follow one schedule blindly. So daily 12 hours of preparation, consistent preparation, passionate preparation, practicing tests, introspection should be there, follow the mentor blindly and follow one schedule blindly. If you do like this, 100% you will get a very good result. And I am going to give monthly strategy. September 1st onwards, you start your GS and optional. You do your GS and optional. Any subject you choose one subject. Any subject you choose of your choice. For example, if you choose polity, history, economy, geography, and optional should be there practically. It should be practically, it should be there, and you have to follow it. Parallelly it should be there. September, October, November, December, do GS and optional. Then January 2026 to June 2026, January month, GS and optional. GS and optional. Prelims, March, April, May, only GS. Why? Because just do practice. Get the question paper of the prelims paper and just do practice at your home. How many marks you are going to get if you write 1 year before? In your, you are going to write in 2027, no? 1 year before only you write in the month of May 2026. Then you will understand, no, where you are standing in the crowd. So, you will be doing only GS. And June, again you start with optional and GS with respect to your Jan 2026 to June 2026, then July 2026 to December 2026, July optional and GS, August optional and GS, September take ethics, October start ethics, November start essay, December do essay. And you are doing optional, GS. 4 hours, 2 months, 4 hours, huge time, man, huge time. 4 hours optional, 4 hour ethics, 4 hour GS, 6 hours optional, 6 hour GS, 6 hours optional, 6. The best classes you should listen, and best self preparation you have to do. Don't go with gossips, don't go with rumors. You have to remember, clearing examination is your necessity. Becoming an IAS officer is your dream. Don't chit chat here and there, don't roam here and there. ఏది పడితే అది మాట్లాడడం, ఏది ఊరికే టైం పాస్ చేయడం, బయట కూర్చోవడం, ఇవన్నీ బంద్ పెట్టేసేయండి, ఇంకా ఇవన్నీ ఆపేసేయండి. ఇంకా చదువు కోసం వచ్చాము, ర్యాంక్ కోసం వచ్చాను, ర్యాంక్ తెచ్చుకున్నానా పోయానా వెనుక కన్నట్టు ఉండాలి. లైక్ దిస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్లాన్ యువర్ this 2 years, those who want to crack the 2027 attempt. I am telling you very seriously. Don't sit, don't talk, don't run behind girls, or don't run behind boys, or don't do all bad habits. I came to become an IAS officer. ఆ IAS ఆఫీసర్ అయిన తర్వాతనే మళ్ళీ ఇంటికి వెళ్తాను అనేంత మొండి పట్టుదలతో ఉండాలి. వాళ్ళు ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళు, వీళ్ళు ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళు, వాళ్ళు బాగా చెప్తున్నారు క్లాసెస్, వీళ్ళు బాగా ఇవన్నీ ఏం అవసరం లేదు. ఇది నా జీవితం, నేను క్లాసెస్ వింటాను, నేను ఒక మెంటర్ని అనుకున్నాను, నేను ఒక స్కెడ్యూల్ అనుకున్నాను, అది ఫాలో అవుతాను, అంతే. That should be your strategy in order to clear your 2027 attempt. This is one strategy, one schedule, one attempt. You will clear the examination. I am telling you. Then January 2027 to prelims, original preparation. You are going to give your first attempt in the month of May 2027. Sit, prepare only prelims, general studies and CSAT properly. You no need to worry about CSAT. In the month of January, if you start your CSAT, it is enough. Why? Because it is only qualifying nature, my dear friends. So in 2027, when you are giving attempt at that particular attempt year, January, you have to start your CSAT. Like this you have to. So if you prepare like this, you will clear your prelims. Once you clear your prelims, mains preparation and writing tests, writing full length tests you do, you will get 2027 rank. Take my word. అన్నీ వదిలేసేయండి, ఒక 2 సంవత్సరాల దాకా అన్నీ వదిలేసేయండి, ఏది అవసరం లేదు నాకు. ఇక వాడు అలాంటి వాడు, వీడు ఇలాంటి వాడు, వాడు మంచోడు, వాడు చెడ్డోడు, ఈ పనికి మాలిన మాటలన్నీ బందేసి కనుక ఎవరైతే చదువుకుంటారో, నేను ఐఏఎస్ అవ్వడం కోసమే వచ్చాను, నేను ఐఏఎస్ అయ్యాకే నేను ఇంటికి వెళ్తాను అని ఎవరైతే అనుకుంటారో వాళ్ళకి ఇలాంటి స్ట్రాటజీస్ వర్తిస్తాయి. వాళ్ళు ఖచ్చితంగా ఐఏఎస్ అవుతారు. ఐఏఎస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ పవర్ఫుల్ పోస్ట్. ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ, వెరీ వెరీ పవర్ఫుల్ పోస్ట్. ఐఎమ్ సీయింగ్ దెమ్, ఐఎమ్ సీయింగ్ దేర్ పవర్, ఐఎమ్ సీయింగ్ హౌ దే ఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్ ద పవర్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు బికమ్ ద పవర్ సెంటర్, then you have to work hard, my dear students. All the best, and 2027, let the God be with you. All the best.